Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the online classes of SBPS. In subject physical education for class 10th, I will revise holiday homework. Today more. आज और कराऊंगा आपको holiday homework. Now in detailed question, I have given to write discuss the way to prevent diabetes. So I will tell you prevention. Type 2 diabetes can be prevented by laying stress on the following points. I am going to tell you the point. First point is your regular exercise. Exercise plays a very vital role not only in preventing the type 2 diabetes but also managing it. Regular exercise can reduce the sugar level in blood. It also improves the production of insulin and strengthens the heart. योर सेकेंड पॉइंट विल बी मेंटेनिंग ए हेल्दी वेट. एक हेल्दी वेट को मेंटेन करके रखिए, ना ज़्यादा ना कम. सो फॉर मेंटेनिंग अ हेल्दी वेट यू शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अचीव बैलेंस between your intake of calories and expenditures of calories. So don't try to take more calories than your body burns each day. Third point will be your reduce the intakes of standard fat. Reduce the intakes of standard fat if you want to prevent diabetes type 2. Indeed, वास्तव में intake of standard fat is in more amount definitely leads to overweight or obesity, which ultimately enhances the chances of occurrence of diabetes. Your fourth point will be avoid rich carbohydrate food. दूर रहिए. तो इफ यू वांट टू प्रिवेंट टाइप 2 डायबिटीज तो अवॉइड करिए रिच कार्बोहाइड्रेट फूड. हाउएवर इट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू शुड नॉट टेक कार्बोहाइड्रेट. इट इज नेसेसरी टू इंक्रीज द लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी. सो जस्ट रिड्यूस द अमाउंट इन डाइट फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग डायबिटीज. योर फिफ्थ पॉइंट विल बी ईट हेल्दी फूड्स. If you want to prevent diabetes, अगर आप डायबिटीज रोकना चाहते हो तो include plenty of vegetables, fruits and fiber rich whole grains in your diet. When you take fruits and vegetables, try to take deeply colored fruits and vegetables such as spinach, carrots, peach and berries. Now last point will be eat a small portions of meals for preventing high level of blood sugar. Eat at least 5 or 6 small portions of meal a day rather than one big meal. Take small meals and don't do overeating. ज़्यादा मत खाइए. Dear student, in this video I have tell you the point to prevent diabetes. Your first point was regular exercise. Second, maintain a healthy weight. Third one was reduce the intakes of standard fat. Fourth, avoid rich carbohydrate food. Fifth one, eat healthy food. Sixth, eat small portion of meals. Dear student, you may note down by listening my speech. That's all for this video. Thank you.